Hello guys, in this video we will create a smart contract called Ownable, in which we will create some functions, and with the help of these functions any user can change the owner of the smart contract. Let's head over to the Remix IDE and create one file called ownable.sol. Now here define the Solidity compiler version, Pragma Solidity. We will define 0.8.0. So in contract we will name this contract as Ownable. In this we will define address private underscore owner variable. Now in the constructor we will call one internal private function called underscore set owner and pass an argument called msg.sender. We will define this function later. Now creates one modifier called onlyOwner. In this we will give one require condition for verification of the ownership of contract. So let's leave it as it is, and then we will create one function called underscore set owner. This will accept new owner address as a parameter. It will be private, that means it will be limited to this contract only. In this we will set the new owner address to our private defined variable over there. Now let's create a function called owner, in which we will return the present owner of the smart contract. So it will be public and it will return an address, and that address will be the variable underscore owner. Now again in the modifier let's define the require condition. Let's call this public function here, which returns the existing owner, and equate it with the msg.sender. So this means the current owner must be the caller. If it's not so, we will give a message the caller is not owner. Now let's create a function called transfer ownership. This will also accept an address as a parameter. It will also public, and let's restrict it to the modifier only owner, so that the existing owner can only transfer his ownership to other address. So in this we will assign one require condition that the new owner address should not be equal to 0, and put a message that new owner is not valid. And let's call the private function which we have defined above, underscore set owner, and pass this parameter new owner in this function. Also we forgot to end the modifier on line number 13. So let's compile it. Okay, so let's put the semicolon there and compile it. Let's deploy this contract and check the present owner. Let's try to change the owner with the present owner account. As you can see, the owner is changed. Now let's try to change the owner from an invalid account. As you can see in the message that caller is not an owner. So that's it guys. See you in the next video.